Alright guys, so we're here with Cynosure Hair and I really do love their logo, y'all. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and just give you guys a quick rundown of the hair information. Also, if I do miss any information, do be sure to check down the description section below because all the information is always there. So of course you're gonna get a wig cap. They're gonna give you a pamphlet as well, and that's just, you know, displaying their other hair options that they do have. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, and let me tell you guys, this hair is so freaking soft. The softest hair I've ever encountered in my entire life. Okay, I'm not even what is it, I'm not even flexing right now, y'all. I'm not. Okay, so this is the construction of the unit. There is about 4 combs in total, 2 drawstrings in the back, and that's it. I'm giving you guys a first look. As you guys can see, there is a guideline for baby hairs. I do pull it back because I want to show you guys the hairline though, and it says it is so freaking bomb. They had this hairline popping. So anyway, I did forget to mention what this hair is, so we're gonna get into it. This is their HD lace unit. This is a straight hair unit, as you guys can see, and the lace is transparent. The knots were not bleached, but of course they give us a pre-plucked hairline. But off camera I did add foundation to the inside of the unit, and then on the outside I do go in with the Opposite Attracts palette from Elf and use that warm shade just to blend the front section. This tip just has been making my installs look very flawless and to hide the knots, you know. So now I'm going in with Kira Care, or is it Kira Care? I don't know. Kira Care. And this is a new wax stick I did pick up from Amazon. I told you guys I wanted to you know, start using wax sticks that you guys can actually purchase. So I don't remember how much it was, but I will link it in the description section. And let me tell you guys, I love this stuff. I love it. Okay, it just did the dang thing. It helped everything lay down, and it just gives me that look I'm looking for. So I really like this stick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb. I do believe I put it on 20, and it lays the hair down flawlessly. And then I'm gonna use my Got To Be Glue High Hits to Hold spray, and we're just gonna spray that on my edge brush and brush everything back. Now there's plenty of ways of installing your units. Me personally, I like to have all the hairs going in one direction. I feel like it makes it easier, and you just don't have the baby hairs and whatnot flying all over the place. So we're gonna first go ahead and spray a thin layer. You can spray multiple layers. It just depends on the type of hold you're going for. Normally I would like to, well, I'm going to take it off at the end of the night so I don't, you know, layer it up. It does remove easily with water or alcohol. This is not glue. It's just a high, it's a strong hairspray. So once I spray that thin layer, or lay that thin layer, I use a cool heating setting. I did go ahead and try a different method here, but I see it was going to turn white on me, so I just ended up doing my regular routine. But once it got tacky, I just cut the sides of it and use that to pull it down. I'm trying to pull my lace as tight as possible, well, as flat as possible, just so there won't be any lumps and bumps and, you know, air pockets. So do make sure that you're, you know, pulling it as tight to each side that you can. That way it would avoid all of that. But as you guys see, it's turning white on me, so I was like, no, this unit is too bomb for me to try a new method at this time. So I just stick to my original method that I normally use. So if I see any white areas peeking out on me, I do go back in with my Got To Be High Insta Hold spray and just spray it on top and add more cool heat. It just makes it, you know, melt a little bit more better. Do not use hot heat because your edges will turn crusty. And when it turns white, that means I'm using entirely too much heat. So I try to be light and try to be not too close and not too far away either. Alright, so off camera I did put my scarf on and add hot heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I let it sit for about 5, and this is what she's looking like. Like I said, if you do not like baby hairs, you do not have to add the baby hairs into the unit. They did a flawless job on pre-pluck in this unit, so that's why I said it's optional. I actually could have just, you know, flat ironed that little bang section right there that's got a lot of volume in it down, and I could have actually went out the door. But me, where I'm so used to doing baby hairs, we're gonna do that. So I add a little bit more of my wax stick and go through and use my hot comb to flatten that section out. I do eventually go in the little hump where all that volume's at to lay it down more, because it was just too much volume going on. So I just take a section, apply more of the wax on there, and then use a hot comb and lay it down. And I'm telling you, this wax does wonders with this hair. It just does it. It just does it. Look at it. It just makes it look nice, and it doesn't look waxy, if that makes sense. It doesn't look too shiny or greasy. It's just the right consistency. Alright, so now I'm just taking some concealer and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the part. If you make a little bit of a mess, just use a baby wipe and it just removes itself, and you can clean it up, add more, take away, you do whatever you want. But the concealer really helps your part stand out. And I just going in to shape my baby hairs, y'all. I'm doing different techniques and things with my baby hairs, so y'all know I do the little thin ones, the fine ones, but I wanted to try a little bit more thicker ones. I know one of on the, I guess it's the way y'all seeing it, it's my right side. Is it my right? Yeah, my right side. My baby hair is just too close to my eyebrows. I know, y'all, but like I said, I just wanted to do something different. So, and also, all I'm using for my baby hairs is just hairspray and foam wrap lotion. It just gets the job done, and it doesn't end up looking hard like it's sculpted to your head, okay? If it does give you that hard look, just take a comb and comb it out, and it softens the look right up. But I am going in with my Babyliss flat iron to flat iron it just a little bit. It doesn't need a lot because it was already straight, just getting the crinkles out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off because I did let it sit underneath my silk wrap, well, silk scarf, while I flat ironed it. And let me tell you guys, it came out so bomb. I was like, yes, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish running my hands through it and just fixing it to perfection, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the review and my thoughts, and yeah.
Alright guys, so we are at the end of the video and I am super excited. I do apologize, y'all, if y'all hearing cars and stuff, because I'm saying I have my window up and it's loud. Okay, it's loud, but this is the best lighting I can ever give is when I come to my door. Well, I said my window, but it's like my screen door, if you guys get what I mean. But this is the best lighting I can get to show this goodness, because this bodiness, I said this bodiness, this body, this volume, this shine, it had to be seen in natural lighting, okay? So honestly, y'all, this is my favorite unit of 2020. Cynosure, I don't know if that's how you pronounce her or whatever. Cynosure has made it to #1 on my list because this hair feels so, you know how you get a unit that feels too good to be true? This unit is like that, but it's actually true. It's actually true. It's really good. So off the bat, I noticed out of the package that I was gonna get some bomb hair. I always do my hair checks. Y'all know, if you do a hair check, just run your hands through it, you feel, you examine. This hair felt so buttery, silky, and soft. It was just like, are you kidding me? Is this like real? Is this real right now? It was, at that point, I knew I was about to have some bomb hair. But I noticed it was very, very easy to work with. I didn't condition. Conditioning, I didn't wash it. I didn't do anything. This, what you seeing right here, is this goodness, okay? It's straight out of the package. I love that they gave you a guideline as well for the baby hairs. But let me get into this hairline, though. Let's get into this hairline, though, sis. The hairline on this unit was 100% amazing. If you guys are not good at plucking your units, I would advise you to go ahead and pick this unit up. It's a must-have in your clothes because, #1, the hairline was laid to the gods. I seen when I first put it on, it was just like, sis, is this serious right now? So you can either add the baby hairs or you can actually wear it as it was. So it was just very, very easy to work with the unit. This unit to me felt like it was a unit that you can install and you're ready to go out the door, because it required no work, no plucking, really no straightening. I just went over it for the, you know, the crinkles that happen, you know, probably during packaging or whatever. But zero tangling, sis. It's zero tangling. Like, wait, as far as shedding, I did get shedding when I cut into the lace. That is expected because you're making it your own, so you are going to be cutting the knots off and whatever. But after that, the shedding was even non-existent. So this is my magical unit right here. I would call this my magical unit because it's like, it doesn't give me any problems. I'm not saying it's not going to tangle up ever, because this is just my first install with this unit. So yeah, I may have to come back and give you guys an update, but as of right now, she is good. So that is pretty much it. I don't really have any cons at all, because like I said, this unit was so easy. One of my easiest installs ever. Gave me no problems. I just glided through the whole thing, and like, now we here. So yeah, if I forgot anything, let me know. Also, don't forget to check the description section for all the information you may need in regards to this unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, girl, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.